guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily replace clips and stuff on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video and I'm just going to cut it to about 14 seconds to match the second video that I'm going to replace it with. It does have to be in the same time frame. You can also edit it later, I think, but for instance, you've already added a video next to that and you just want to replace this bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply right click on the video or the photo and you're going to select replace clip. Then you're going to select the clip that you want to replace it with. I think I have some here. Like this one. Wait, this one. I'm just going to select it and it's going to be replaced. It is too short, so you do have to make sure. Okay, if I'm just going to make the clip shorter, so then I'm just going to select replace clip. Then I'm going to select that clip again, and as you can see, it does kind of show you how much you can put in. I just selected that, and you can also use the original video effects. So if this video already has an effect, you don't need to worry because it will replace the clip for you. And that is it. You can also do it with pictures and such, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.